Today I'm going to be showing you how to start your tomato seeds inside of these containers. Hang on. Hey growers, Milton from Craft Farms here. Another beautiful day out in the garden. Hey, today I'm going to show you how to start your tomato seeds inside. So we have a few things. We have three types of tomato seeds. We have some Tomatillos seeds. I've never used those before, but they're green tomatoes used for salsa and things like that. They should be pretty good. We got your grape tomatoes. You know what they are, so we're going to use them. And then our beautiful red cherry tomatoes that we use in salads and things like that. So we have three brands of seeds that we're going to be using today. I'm going to show you all the supplies that I'm going to need for today. First, you always have to have your water. Then we have what are called starter plugs. Starter plugs are just a mix of peat and organic matter that you use to start your seeds so that they can germinate a little bit faster than planting them directly in the ground. So if you look at these, they're just little square plugs with a hole in them where you can drop the seeds inside. So inside now we have our little container trays, and we're going to put a plug in each tray, and then we're going to drop a seed in each one of the plugs so that we can start the germination process. And by doing this method, it speeds up the process. So instead of being a couple of weeks, we're only looking at 5 to 7 days before the plants will begin to germinate. Alright, so to begin this process, we're going to take our starter plug and we're going to put one in each of the trays. So all you do with your starter plugs, you can just turn them over, you just pull them off just like that. It's just that simple. You drop them in the hole. Just pull them off, drop them in the hole. And as you see, there's still a little hole right there and we're going to drop them in. So we just take them one at a time, drop it in. And what these will do, they'll act as the soil to help our seeds begin to germinate a little faster. Alright, so now we have all of our plugs in the trays. Oh, I missed one. Hold on one second. Got one more to go. Let's put it in there. Alright, now we have all of our plugs in the trays, and now we're going to add the seeds. So again, we're doing three types of tomatoes: red cherry, grape, and tomatillo. And you may say that a little differently than I do. So let's get started. So we're going to do the grape tomatoes first. So what we're going to do, again, each plug has a hole in it. You can take your finger and kind of push it in a little bit and make sure that you can see the hole clearly. Now since this plug is just a little hard to see, I'm just going to replace it with another one for easier for you guys to see. So I'm just going to make it so you can see it. See the hole a little bit clearer. Okay, just make sure you got a hole in each one. Just take your finger, or you can use a knife or whatever you want. Something just to make a hole for you to be able to drop the seed in. Okay, so we're going to start again with the grape tomatoes. So to be safe, what I'm going to do, just in case I drop these seeds, we're going to separate them out and do it over a tray. So if we drop them, they won't fall on the ground and we can pick them up. I'm going to open these up, get all the seeds to the bottom so that they don't come running out. And I can still see some at the top. So let's open up the top. And let's see what we got in here. Okay, so if you look in there, they're real tiny seeds. So I'm going to pour them in my hand so you can get a better look. You see how tiny they are? And you only need like 2 seeds per plug. So I'm going to try to reach in here. Got 2 seeds. And if you can look kind of close, you can see they're dropped in there. Can you see that? You can barely see that. Okay. So I'm just going to do that for all of them. 2 seeds. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. They're so tiny, you have to be very careful not to drop them. 1, 2. 1, 2. And last. So look, if you look in there, you can see these are grape tomato seeds. They are in there. Okay? So once you get them in, you just want to make sure they're in there nice and neat. Push them down. And we're just going to water these at the end. Okay? Now we're going to do the same process. First, let me label these. This is my grape tomato tag, okay? So I'm going to label these right here in the front so I'll know what they are. And it's not sticking, so always come prepared with your marker. I'm going to put on here grape. Okay? So I'll know what they are. So write it again on the back. Okay, those are great. So let's go on to our cherry tomatoes. We're going to do those next. Red cherry. So same process. We'll slide that over. We'll bring them over here so I don't drop them everywhere. Take the top off. Now this is a different type of seed, so let me show it to you. You want to see it in there first? That's what it looks like. I'm going to put it in my hand. We do the same thing. I don't want all of them. Just need a few of them. Alright, let's get started. So we're going to do the same process. We take 2, drop it in the hole. 2 in the hole. Boom. 2, 2, 2. And this, like to say it again, will help speed up the germination process. So it'll take about 5 days and these will be ready to go into the ground. Alright, just need a few more. And we can save the rest of these and plant them a little later. Alright, so I'm going to do my last set of seeds now. Which are our tomatillos. Okay? Like I said, this is a great tomato for salads and salsa, to make salsa. So let's. And these are some tiny seeds, so come close so you can get a good look at these. So I need to be very careful with these. So I can get it here to them. Packs are always a little difficult to get open. So look, I don't think I have enough only to do a few plugs, so won't be able to do all of these plugs. So let's see what we can do with just a few seeds. That's all we have. So we should be able to do half of these, okay? It's just so tiny. We don't do one, we want to do 2 seeds in each one. Okay? 2 little seeds. 1. Drop him. Need to get that out of there. We'll get him out in just a second. 2. 1, 2. And try 1, 2. We'll try one more. Alright, I'm going to drop 1 in there. Alright, so we only have enough seeds for this. We'll take these out. We don't have enough seeds for these. Alright, so I'm going to take this one out because I dropped the seed in the bottom. And let me go in here and save it. There it's up. And there it is. And there it is. But can I get it? Try it again. There it is right here. The seed that fell out of the bottom. That's why you always keep your tray under just in case you drop your seeds. You can always go get it. And I drop one up here. Okay, same thing. So you can wiggle it out. And there it is, if you can see it. So tiny. Such a tiny seed. And put it in the plug. See that? Seed in there? Alright, so now we have all of our seeds in. So what we're going to do, we're going to bring them all back. And what you want to do is sit it inside of a tray. All of this out of the way. And we're just going to water. Alright, so we have all of our seeds in. They're in our plugs, which is made of a peat and organic matter to help germinate the product. So all you have to do now, is the best part, is to water. So just take your water and just go over them. You don't have to really drain them, just go over them. Just hit them with some water and they're going to start to swell up. There we go, that looks good. And you can see how it just goes in. Okay, you can't put too much water on them. It's going to drain through the bottom. Okay. Alright, so what you want to do is just to fill the rest of your tray in the bottom with a little water. So you want this just to sit in the water and that will keep the plugs hydrated. So, yeah. So now we have all of our tomatoes in our plugs. They have been watered. They're ready to go. Hey, I want to thank you growers for today. I hope you've learned something today. Take time to like, comment, subscribe, and hopefully at Craft Farms we can do something to help you grow some great products. Have a great day, growers.